Welcome. In front of me is the T-Mobile T Phone 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So, to get started you'll need a SIM ejector, which I have one right over here prepared for this, but they usually look something more like this and can be found obviously in the box where the device came in. Additionally, if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work, well, just as well, hopefully. But anyway, once you have one of them, I'm gonna pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone. So right here where the pin is holding right now. Push the pin in, and you'll see that the tray pops out just ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it, take it out. Now on the tray you have space for SIM card and SD card. So each spot is dedicated for the card. Once you place the cards on the tray, make sure that they're laying flush on it, as you can see, and then carefully insert it back into your phone. The reason why I say carefully is because there's nothing holding them in place, so they could just kind of pop out if you do something like this. So right now this one is actually holding, so that's nice. But anyway, so insert it. Now if the tray isn't going in easily, don't force it in, just take it out, make sure that the card didn't pop out, and then try to put it back in. Once you insert your card, it should start working immediately. For me, I do have a pin set on mine, so I need to confirm it. There we go, that will unlock my SIM card. So SIM card is obviously working, and SD card is working as well, which you can see right here. I detected it, so I can set it up now. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.